Hello and welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes. The best part about summers is the variety of naturally sweet fruits that land in our kitchen. Today I have a special and healthy twist to our classic Indian lassi flavored with lychee, however without the use of regular sugar. For this we need some crushed cardamom, quarter cup milk, 1 cup of thick curd. So let's first wash, peel and de-seed the lychees to gather the pulp. Next, in a blender or juicer jar, add all the ingredients and blend to a smooth thick consistency. And here's 1 tablespoon of date syrup. And hey, if you're a fan of pulpy juices and beverages, you can just pulse and blend the lassi for a shorter time, so that with every sip you get to chew and enjoy the refreshing bites of lychee. Well, I prefer to blend until the lassi is pretty thick and creamy. I'm using a few drops of organic red food color, which is optional. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. So let's start blending. Once blended, you'd want to chill the lassi before serving. So you can either refrigerate it for about half an hour or add some ice cubes to cool it down immediately. Sabza seeds are a natural body coolant and hence are added to many summer drinks in India. Furthermore, these develop a pleasant, gelatinous, chewy texture in the drink. I just can't wait to pour the gorgeous lassi. You can use crushed pista for garnishing. This yummy lychee lassi is perfect for summer and nutritious for any time of the year. The natural sweetness of date syrup beautifully complements the lychee flavor. Thanks for watching, give it a try and let me know in the comments what you think. Do subscribe and stay tuned for more recipes. See you next time.